In Penal Code Section 314, California law defines indecent exposure as intentionally exposing your private parts, which means your bare genitalia, in public or in a place where people are present who are likely to be offended by it. When your purpose for doing so is to draw attention to your genitalia for the purpose of arousing yourself or arousing others or sexually insulting or sexually offending others. Now, keep in mind, it's not inherently illegal to be naked in public in the state of California. It's only illegal if you're really trying to be an exhibitionist, if you're trying to draw attention to yourself for one of these purposes. So if you're changing your clothes at the beach, or perhaps you're having sex in a vehicle on a quiet street at night and you don't think anybody's around, anybody can see you, you're trying to be secluded, then that's really not indecent exposure. Now, I wouldn't suggest it because you can still get arrested, wrongly arrested, but it really isn't the crime of indecent exposure, because in those situations, you're not trying to draw attention to yourself, you're trying to be secluded. Indecent exposure is a wobbler. It could be filed as a misdemeanor or felony, depending on the circumstances. As a felony, you could be sentenced to up to 3 years in state prison, and perhaps the worst consequence of an indecent exposure conviction is that you'll be made a registered sex offender for life. So you'll be on Megan's list, most likely, and you'll have to register as a sex offender, and this can be a devastating consequence for somebody's reputation and standing in the community and ability to gain employment. So if you're charged with indecent exposure, you want to do everything that you can now while you still can to fight the case and avoid conviction and keep this off your record.